Hi Bio Bakers, this is the way that you're gonna go ahead and make your loaf of bread, and I'm gonna show you how to do your different stretches and folds. So it's gonna be a series of short videos. I'm gonna make 2 loaves of bread at the exact same time, but I'm gonna talk you through to go ahead and only make half a loaf of bread as well. So the first thing I have is my scale, and then I'm gonna have my clear plastic container, just like you'll have at school. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 50 grams of starter because you all are making half a loaf of bread. And then with my starter in here, I'm gonna go ahead and add my water. It's gonna be easiest if I go ahead and zero out my balance again by hitting the tare button. So your water amount is probably going to be around 175 for your recipes. I'm just watching my balance as I slowly pour in my water. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is my starter's floating in my water. I'm going to mix my starter up with my fingers till it is completely dissolved. It should feel wet and mushy between your fingers. Once it's thoroughly mixed, you can put your container back down on your scale. You're going to zero it out again, and then you're going to go ahead and add your flour. You are going to be adding about 250 grams of flour for half a loaf of bread. Okay. And then once you have your flour added, you're going to go ahead and add your salt. Again, your salt, zero out your balance, and your salt is going to be around 5 grams. Sprinkle it on in. And now you get to go ahead and do your mixing. It'll be easiest with your hand. Get it all combined. You can move your balance out of the way. Just go ahead and squeeze the flour and the water and the starter all together. And it's going to be like a shaggy, kind of dry, wet mixture. And then you're going to put the lid on and you're going to let it sit for about 1 hour as our different schedules go ahead and work out based upon your 8 a.m. or your break or your class time creations of your bread. All right, I'll check back in a little bit.